Hello everyone, this is my review of the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. It's truly plug and play. I just connected the transmitter to my device and the receiver to my TV or projector. And within seconds, I had a wireless HDMI connection without any complicated setup or apps. The range is impressive too. I can stream from my desktop or gaming console across the room without lag or drop signal. That freedom from cables makes everything look cleaner and makes it so much easier to place furniture or switch between devices. Picture quality is sharp and smooth. Even though it sends the signal wirelessly, I'm still getting crisp 1080p output that looks great for movies, games, and presentations. For everyday use, especially on a big screen or a projector, it feels just like a wired connection without the hassle of running cords across the room. Overall, this wireless HDMI extender kit has made streaming and screen sharing more convenient and flexible. If you're tired of cords and want a clean wireless setup that still delivers solid performance, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.